Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the tutorial. Let's see the second application of dimension. What is that? To check the dimensional correctness of given physical equation. Okay, we will see in this topic, we will see the principle of homogeneity, and that is very much important. They have asked question from the principle of homogeneity concept, NEET and IIT JEE. Okay, see, this is second application to check the dimensional correctness of the given physical equation. Every physical equation should be dimensionally balanced. Okay, this is called the principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. This is called the principle of homogeneity. The dimension of each terms and this equation each terms in both side of the equation must be same. ओके, इसका यूज हम लोग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में करेंगे. ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी. द डायमेंशन ऑफ ईच टर्म्स इन बोथ द साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन मस्ट बी सेम. डायमेंशनली बोथ द साइड विल बी सेम. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. On the basis of this principle, we can judge whether a given equation is dimensionally correct or not. On the basis of this, we can judge whether a given equation is correct or not. But one point is here, the dimensionally correct equation does not guarantee for the equation to be physically correct. So I am writing that but dimensionally correct equation may or may not be physically correct. Okay, dimensionally correct equation may or may not be physically correct. These are the points of principle of homogeneity. Okay, so on the basis of that I am writing one equation. Okay, one question. See, the question is, so that the expression of the time period of the time period expression of the time period t of the simple pendulum simple pendulum of length L given by t is equal to 2 pi under root of L by G is dimensionally correct. We have to prove that the time period of the simple pendulum t is equal to 2 pi under root of L by G is dimensionally correct. Okay, for the equation to be dimensionally correct, the left hand side of the equation dimension is equal to right hand side of the equation's dimension. So let me check that. This is t, this is 2 pi L by G, this is time का तो आप कैपिटल T ही लेंगे, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट see this L, this one you can write that t is equal to under root of, this is L, G you can write LT minus 1, LT minus 1 you can write. Okay, this is your, to check that dimensionality is correct or not. LT minus 2, no it's not, this is LT minus 2, so LL got cancelled, so under root of t square, so it will be t in left hand side, this is time, and this is in right hand side, this is also t. So what happened, this dimension in the left hand side is t, dimension in right hand side is t. So what happened, this is your formula for simple pendulum t is equal to 2 pi under root of L by G is nothing but correct. Okay, because we have seen that dimensionally this equation is balanced. Okay, so this is correct equation. Next, one topic is there, principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. This is the topic, this is very much important, इससे आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. The principle of homogeneity states that principle of homogeneity states that the dimension of all the the terms in physical expression in physical expression should be same. In physical expression should be same. Dimension of all the terms in physical expression should be same. This is the statement of your principle of homogeneity. So let's see, I'm writing one equation, S is equal to ut plus half at square. So dimension of S ut and half at square must be same. One note is there, one note, the physical quantity separated by symbol plus minus equal to greater than less than have same dimension, okay. So the principle of homogeneity is this note, the principle the physical quantity separated by the symbol plus minus equal to greater than less than will have same dimension. Okay, so let's start with the problem. The problem is the velocity v of a particle depends upon the time t according to the equation v is equal to a plus bt plus c by d plus t. The question is, write the dimension of A, B, C and D. This is my question. The velocity v of a particle depends upon the time according to the equation v is equal to a plus bt plus c by d plus t. Okay, so they are asking the dimension of A, B, C and D. Okay, so let's start. This is the problem. I have to solve this. let's solve this. They have given equation velocity v is equal to a plus bt plus c by d plus t. So from the principle of homogeneity we can say that the dimension of A, what is the dimension of A, will be same the dimension of V. What is the dimension of V will be same the dimension of Bt. So what happened next, these two terms are separated by plus. In note I have written that the dimension of that two terms, if it is separated by plus minus equal to greater than less than, it's same. If the dimension of t is capital T, the dimension of d must be t. Okay, so let's start with that. v को a से इक्वेट करते हैं. This is v, that is a. This is not acceleration, this is a. So what happened, velocity का lt minus 1. Velocity is lt minus 1. So dimension of a will be lt minus 1. This is equation 1. Next I am equating that bt terms with v. So what happened, bt is equal to v. So dimension of v is equal to lt minus 1. This is bt. Bring that t here, bring that t. When you bring t here, so what happened, dimension of b is equal to lt minus 1 by capital T. So what happened, b is equal to lt minus of 2. This is the dimension of what, b. Next we are left with dimension of d and dimension of c. Let's start dimension of c. For the dimension of c we can do one thing. Before that, CD, d dimension of d is equal to dimension of t is equal to dimension of d is equal to t. Why? Because they are separated with t, say separated with plus sign. So जो dimension आपका t का होगा वही dimension आपका capital ये आपका d का होगा, small d का होगा. Simple. Next let's calculate the dimension of c. So what happened, I will equate this term with v. So cy d plus t is equal to v. So what happens, cy d plus t is equal to l t minus of 1. So when you do c is equal to l t minus of 1 into d plus t, the dimension of d and dimension of t, it's same. C is equal to dimension of c will be nothing but L. Okay, so I'm writing finally. Okay, so dimension of A is LT minus 1, dimension of B LT minus 2, dimension of C, dimension of D is T. This is our solution. We have simply applied the principle of homogeneity. Okay, after that we have got the result. Okay, so let's stop here. We will see the next application in next class.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe our YouTube channel Tile Tutorials.